Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to dominate affiliate marketing in 2019, and I'm going to give you 5 steps to do that. So with that being said, cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video, and I'm going to give you 5 steps to dominate affiliate marketing in 2019. So the very first thing is you need to pick a niche. You need to pick a niche on whatever you're interested in. Don't go for something that's very lucrative. Obviously you need to be able to make some money in that, but pick something that you actually enjoy. So whether that's fishing, working out, dancing, I don't care what it is, you need to pick a niche where you can help people out. Maybe it's drawing, maybe helping people how to draw. All these things you can make money off it, but you really need to choose something that you're interested in, and the reason is you're going to have to be making some content for a really long time. So if you don't pick a niche that you enjoy, you will give up before you start to make any money whatsoever. So once you've chosen your niche, you need to pick a product that other people are making money from. And the reason I'm saying this is because you don't want to guess. You don't want to guess about whether this product will make you some money or this other product will make you some other money, or maybe it won't, maybe nobody will buy it. You need to make sure that people are actually making money from it. If people are not making money from it, then just forget about it. So just watch other people, see if they are actually promoting it, and if a lot of people are promoting it in your niche, then it's probably a product that actually sells. If you go to ClickBank, you can actually sort that order by the products that are selling the best, so you can absolutely do that. Then once you've chosen your product and you have your niche, you need to have a strategy, because having the greatest product and having the greatest niche is not going to make your product sell. If you don't have a strategy, you'll make zero. So you really need to pick a strategy. So a strategy can be just like I'm doing now, making YouTube videos. Making YouTube videos is a very good way to get some traffic, because that's just how people are going to come. Okay, so you can do that. You can do blogging, you can do Instagram, you can do Facebook posts. It doesn't matter, but you have to have a platform where people are actually going to like what you do and people are going to find you. So you really need to be searchable, and that's why I always prefer to do YouTube or blogging, because these are the main ones I believe, because otherwise you will have to do that all the time. And even on YouTube and Facebook, the key is to being consistent. I put out videos every single day. Some people do it a bit less, but the key is to be absolutely consistent. So really have a schedule to put out your content, whether it's YouTube or blogging. You really need to be consistent on it, because that is the way that you are going to grow, and that is how you find some people that are really interested in your niche, because they are watching your videos or your blog posts. So once you have that, once you start growing your audience and you have a few people following you, what you do is you start email marketing. So you need to build an email list. Building an email list is very important, because that is the lifeblood of your business. If you don't do this, it's going to be way harder to scale and to actually make quite a few sales. So the way to do this is you're going to give away something for completely free, whether that's an ebook, a recommendation, anything that you can think of that's not going to cost you a bunch of money. And what you do is you promote some things to your email list after that. So that can be automated. It's a very good way to automate everything. So I highly suggest that you do that. If you do not build an email list after a while, Obviously at the beginning you might not want to do it straight away because it does cost some money, but once you start growing your channel or your blog or whatever, you really need to have an email list, because otherwise it's going to be very hard. And the next thing is do the work. Doing the work is very important. So many people, and I was guilty of this when I started this channel, is, you know, making videos and then just having something else to do, so you don't do it that day, and then you find excuses and excuses and excuses. The minute that you start to find an excuse not to make a video, then, or a blog post if you're doing blogging, that is the time that you are just going to have a lot harder time to grow anything, because you're just all over the place, and you really need to do this every single day. No matter what, if you're doing something else some day of the week, then you're doing something wrong. So you really need to put in the work every single day. You need to have a schedule, because if you don't have a schedule, it's going to be so hectic and you're not going to put anything out. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.